Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to do the oil change on my 2008 Honda Fit. A couple things you'll need is an oil drain pan. Got a Ram TG7317 oil filter pliers just in case, and a ratchet. And since I have an aftermarket drain plug, it takes a 13mm socket. You're going to need 4 quarts of the 520 oil and a funnel. What I always do is I loosen up the cap up here just a little bit, just like that, to help with airflow. And then gotta go down and break the drain plug loose. Draining, show you my aftermarket drain plug. Right here, got a 13mm head, got a magnetic tip, and I actually have a rubber washer here to seal it because I have a history of over tightening my drain plug. This 10-pack, it's a Dorman. It fits M12 20mm drain plugs. I used it on my 2007 Yukon, and it fits the Honda Fit perfectly. So I'll drop a link for that. I know some people like to change it every time. I'll probably get 1, maybe 2 more uses out of this before I change the drain plug gasket. I'm going to try to move it by hand first. Not, I'll get my pliers. It's not looking good. Got the new filter. Take some of the old oil, lubricate the new one. I want to make sure the old O-ring off the oil filter comes off every time. If it gets stuck, make sure you pull it off, because then that will leak oil. Now that we got the oil filter on there tight, drain plugs on there tight, now we got to add oil from the top. Remember, it's 4 quarts of the 5W20. typically do my oil changes anywhere between 3, try not to go more than 5,000 miles. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Oil probably cost me maybe, I don't know, $30. Filter was $7.17 off of Amazon. Amazon has, or Walmart has it for $8.98, I believe. I could drop a link for everything I used if you have any issues, or if this video helped. Like and subscribe. If you're not sure about doing your own oil change, there's really nothing to it. Save you some money. It only takes maybe 15-20 minutes of your time. So, there. Highly encourage you getting some blue Scotch shop rags.